Once the back plate or the clip plate has been installed and the screws have been secured, then we install the cartridge housing. You will notice on the cartridge housing that there is a small hole. Position this small hole at 6 o'clock and slide into place. What holds the housing sleeve in place is the cartridge finished dome. Screw this into place, just hand tight. You don't have to over tighten that. And then we install the trim plate itself. This trim plate for the R51 has no marks on it except for the logo, and we place that logo at 6 o'clock. The final step is to install the cartridge handle. You will see underneath the dome there is the Allen key, and to access that, directly behind the lever itself is a hole. Slip that piece on and then tighten the Allen key from below. What's unique about the R51 is that it has volume control. You pull on the handle to turn it on. You swivel it to 4 o'clock for cold water and to 7 o'clock for hot water. But in between, you can adjust the volume for your installation. You're seeing it with a shower head installation, but you could install a tub filler on this. That tub filler would just have to have a diverter built into the tub spout.